Properly defining who or what the individual really is critical for navigating the complex challenges of this crazy world. Failing to do so will have disastrous consequences. In fact, it already has. That failure has led to widespread confusion and the almost tragic ineffectiveness in the fields of mental health and human behavior. Advances in biotechnology, artificial intelligence, the massive use of drugs, and the all encompassing maw of social media are threatening to enslave us all. Hence, a clear and complete and easily understandable definition of the individual is vitally needed as a starting point in the development of workable mental science. Even the smartest guy in the world, Elon Musk, seems to have some confusion about this. The answer is hiding in plain sight. This is no exercise in mysticism or refusal to use engineering principles. We are talking about a thing that clearly exists, the unit of being, which is the individual. No physicist, chemist, mystic, priest, digital whiz, or wise man is needed to be able to see it. It exists everywhere we look. Misdefining it or invalidating its existence or defining it as just another material construction opens the door to both mysticism and tyranny. This failure has resulted in the dangerous hodgepodge that now passes for science in the fields of mental health and human behavior. The hodgepodge that has undermined our educational systems, allowed a drug plague to threaten our world, undermined common sense morality, and undermined effective leadership. The unit of being, which is the individual, is different in every respect from the material universe. It is aware of being aware. It is a source of life energy. It creates. It is capable of power of choice and possesses the qualities of personal responsibility and integrity. It can, on a self-determined basis, cooperate very well with its fellows. It is capable of self-correction and improving conditions. Its potential appears to be virtually limitless. It is an agent of cause. It loves freedom. It detests attempts to enslave it. Beware the chemist or physicist or the overly clever digital fortune teller who would convince us otherwise, who say that we are a mere electronic contrivance or a brain or a neural net or a minion of some higher power, or most laughably, a sufficient volume of NVIDIA chips and AI computing power that will someday wake up and ask for a cup of coffee, heavy on the cream, please. Stay tuned for more. How correctly defining the individual will unleash a revolution in the humanities, which have been undermined by the nonsense that abounds and fails to keep pace with other technology. And stay tuned also for some very workable answers to drugs, education, and the rehabilitation of personal integrity and responsibility. Stay tuned.